Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty from the xking.com here to shoot you another video. And this video is about iWriter. I've been doing a lot of blog posts about iWriter and telling people about iWriter how it's a good place if you run a blog. It's a good place to get content written. And this video is part one of two that I'm gonna go through, show the outskirts of iWriter. And my next video we'll do another how to order content and how you receive the content. Okay, so as of right now, make sure we're recording here. As of right now, I've requested 34 articles written, and they have completed 34 content. So all you gotta do is come here, sign up iwriter.com. Easy to sign up, free to sign up, and you hit order content. Now I will go through this. I could go through this now, but basically you give a title or name, and it could be blog post. The title doesn't really matter or anything. If you have a previous template of your another article, you can hit yes, and they'll ask you what would you like, and you can have a rewrite or an ebook or an article. Both times I place, or all time I select article, and whatever niche you're in. So internet marketing, finance, insurance, real estate, home-based businesses, a lot of different cancer, food and drink, holiday, fashion, sports, a lot of topics here. So what you would do is pick which one is your niche, so it can narrow down the writers that will help write your content. Of course, you want English, but you can change the language if you like. And then here, how many articles would you like? Now you have one article, but if you want two articles, you add another article. Okay. So right now, we'll do one article right now. You add the keywords, and the keywords for me is just the title of the blog post. That's what I put in. So how to fish at night. That's my keyword. Okay, you hit add, and that's your keyword. You have multiple keywords, and they'll incorporate the keywords into your blog post or article. I don't do a whole lot of keywords because things change nowadays. I just want good content. So add multiple articles at once. So you have multiple articles, you can do that as well. And you put down how many articles it is. So right now, if I want to add an article, I go here to articles, add an article, then it changes to 2. If I want 3 articles, it will change to 3. Okay, but hit the X to exit out those. So I want one article. Okay, here's one article, 500 words, and there's different levels. Okay, there's 4 different levels. The standard is the cheapest. That's the beginners of iWriter. The premium is higher up, elite and elite plus, which you all know what that means. I go with the standard. I go with the cheap articles because I scan them. I do a little rewrite myself. And the good thing about iwriter.com, you get 500 words for $3.30. That's really cheap. Okay, if you wrote 500 words yourself, you get the other half for $3.30. That is really cheap. Okay, so if we go through here are the prices. If you want 1,000 words, it's $8.25. Crazy cheap. And if I go to premium, it's $11. If I go to elite, $20, and elite plus, $72 for a 1,000-word article. That must be the best of the best. But standard, I go with the standard. I'll be upfront with you. I go with the standard. Okay, I'm a cheap person. 2,000-word blog post is $15. That is really cheap. Okay, really cheap. Again, the premium is $33. Still cheap. Really, copy and paste the article onto your blog, hit publish. Really cheap. Elite is $44. Still not bad. Okay, still not bad. If your blog makes you $2,000-$3,000 per month, buy some articles. I mean, or a passive niche site that you're gonna have to touch in 6-7 months. It's make you money every month. Go up to iwriter.com, get you a 2,000 word article for $4 to $4. Post on your blog. Elite Plus is $145. So this must be one hell of an article. But to be honest with you guys, I go with the standard $15. You know, if you think about it, you know, the premium is $33. I can get 2 standard articles for the price of 1 premium. Now the problem with standard is it's not the best written article. I had to reject an article because the first 1,000 words made no sense. It had no relation to what I was asking for. So with the standard, you have to scan through the article. If it's not to your liking, ask for a rewrite. And if they rewrite it and it's still the same, disapprove it. Don't approve it. Now I heard online that if you keep on the disapproving articles, they'll kind of mark you, or if you ask a whole lot of rewrites and disapprove our articles, they'll mark you as a guy or girl that always reject articles or their work, and they won't write articles for you. So what I usually do is get the standard, get you some favorite article from some favorite writers for yourself. Okay, I'll show you how to do it in a minute, but be careful. You know, if it's not good. I got one article written twice. It wasn't good. I couldn't use it at all. I rejected it. Somebody else picked it up, and the next day it was done and it was beautiful. Okay, so again, 3,000 words is 23. That's cheap. That's cheap. And if your blog, if your site makes you money, anyway, so go 2,000 words. And you give a brief explanation of your project. What is it about? What's your site about? That's about it. Here you type in beliefs. So here what you do. If you want them to avoid things, you click this and you type in what you want them to avoid. If you have an objective, so the objective to this blog post is to motivate or purchase, engage or entertain, or inform to educate. That's really nice. Company information. If you're a growing company, you can put these here. Target audience. Who is your target audience? Is it prospect customers, knowledge seekers, and who is going to be reading the article? People based on knowledge, gurus. There's a lot of options you could pick. Okay. Tone of writing is one I always pick, and this is, you know, everyday formal, extremely formal, journalistic, other business copywriting, business formal. I go extremely informative because I do blog posts that give people information. So I always go with the tone of writing. Sourcing requirements. You can list if you have links that you want them to incorporate in your article. You can put those here. Things to mention. Anything you want them to mention to the post, you can put here also. So it's very customizable. Okay. And you could put, if you have a favorite, and I have some favorites here. These guys are really, really good. Okay. I have some favorite writers I found. You can request your favorite writer to write your post for you. The problem with this is it's only when they're online, and only when they're available to write. If you don't select a writer, it'll go to a pool of writers and somehow pick it up and start writing it. Okay? And you gotta place the order, you have to add funds, it's through PayPal, very quick, very easy. And you place order and your article will be written. It might take a day. They might write it in 3 hours. It's very quick. It's very quick. If it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon and you place order, your article will be done at 2:30. It's very quick. I mean, the harder blog post will take longer. If it's really hard to write, it'll take a little longer, but hey, it works. Okay? So that's how you order content. Let's go back here. And once you hit requested, it will put the number of blog posts you have here. So you have 2, you order 2, you have 2 here, and this will light up if it's being written. If somebody picked it up and actually doing research and writing it. Pending approval means you have to read the article first before you accept it. Okay, so you read the article, it was to your liking, you hit approve, and that's when you get charged. You don't get charged up front, you get charged when you approve the article, then you can download it. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to download the article in a minute because I had a hard time with it myself. So once it's done, hit approve, and come to here to complete it. Go to complete it. And these are some of the blog posts I got written. So if you want to download this, what you can do, the little plus sign here. I have a hard time doing this. This plus sign right here. You click on the plus sign. Okay. And here you can request a similar piece of content. You can tip the writer. You can view copyscape results. That means they run through a software where it's not duplicate content. Okay, so they'll do that for you. You could download the content or publish on WordPress. The publish on WordPress, I don't understand what the XML is, and watching tutorial videos, nothing comes up. So I guess they're still working on this. So I think that's coming, which is awesome. They'll upload the article right to my WordPress blog. So what I do is I will download content. You have HTML, text, docs, and you have a PDF file. You can download the content yourself. Okay. So again, what you do is go to the little plus sign here, and then you can have the writer's name, the date, and you could. I go download content and download PDF. That's what I do. Download PDF, and that's it. That's it for iWriter. Excuse me. This is it for iWriter. Got ahead of myself. I'll review a iWriter. If I had it rated 1 out of 10, I give it an 8. It's really cheap content to get written. If you have a blog, I suggest if you have a regular job like I do, and you want to build your blog, you're writing content, and you want more content. My thing is, every time you get paid on your check, spend you $20, $25. Because a 3,000 word article, it was $23. So spend you $23, get you a 3,000 word article, go through it, make corrections, post on your blog. Okay, do that every week. You get paid, and that way your blog will go faster. But below the video, I have a link to iwriter.com. That's my affiliate link. I appreciate it if you use my link to go to iWriter and start ordering content. I did this video to show you what you get inside, how to maneuver it. Also, these are the more top writers on iWriter.com. You can hire these writers as well to write your content. Okay. And I have a favorite. I have 2 or 3 favorite writers that are premium writers that I get them right on a standard level. So I paid the standard level, but their writing is premium. I love that. So once you have a writer that write good content, save it as your favorite. Send them a couple dollars tip for writing a good content, and use them again and again and again. Okay, they'll get familiar with you. They won't charge you as much, and they write content fast for you. Okay, so that's it for iwriter.com. I love the service. I recommend it if you're running a blog or you're writing the ebook, and I would do it in a heartbeat. I would do it, just to do it. This is my review of iwriter.com. Any questions, comments, or concerns about iWriter you don't know, leave below the video, and I will answer those questions for you. If you want I might do a tutorial video of me actually ordering content for iWriter. The next video, so you go through and see it, and then we'll go through and try to download it. But once it's downloaded, this be lit up. You hit prove it, and then you download it. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Check out my blog, thexking.com, and I'll see you next time.